everybody everybody new to BTP. The word also maybe maybe few people knows about the BTP. So, but let me give some little bit background of the SAP BTP here. So in January, in Jan 2021, SAP rebranded their SAP cloud platform to BTP in the Jan 2021. They have rebranded their platform to the BTP, one of the powerful solution that is called the business technology platform. BTP means business technology platform. It is a platform as a service. The BTP as a PaaS platform as a service here, which means so normally in the cloud computing, in the cloud environment, we have the multiple types here. In the cloud environments, we have the multiple types. The what are the services which are there in the BTP? What are the solutions, tools, technologies are there in the BTP? All are in the cloud environment. All are in the cloud environment here. So before we go for the little bit more about the BTP, just we would like to understand the so what is cloud here? What is cloud computing here? So it's like a renting the space, renting the digital space, and renting the service on the internet instead of owning and instead of maintaining the physical services and everything. We are taking the rent, we are taking the renting digital rent and service on the cloud. So here we can access, we can store, we can use the data online, we can use the data. So there are the multiple cloud providers, they are providing the infrastructure, there are multiple cloud providers here. So at the same time, BTP also is like a platform as a service. BTP also is like a platform as a service here. Platform as a service, or what is mean by platform as a service here? So they are the three main so cloud services are available in the cloud industry here. There are the three main cloud services are there here. So one is the IaaS, infrastructure as a service. The second one is called the PaaS. So BTP is related to the PaaS here. So then the third one is called the SaaS, SaaS, SaaS. So they are the three main cloud services which is providing here, right? So what is mean by infrastructure as a service here? IaaS means just taking the renting the computer in the cloud, just taking the rent infrastructure. They are providing the infrastructure here. So infrastructure. So means physical hardware. So we no need to maintain the any physical hardware, any physical network, any physical space, RAM, everything here. So just basic, we are taking the virtual server storage. We are just taking the rent here, right? So then who will provide this infrastructures here? Who will provide the infrastructure here? So here we know everybody like AWS, right? Azure and GCP, then SAP HEC, and also we have the IBM Cloud, then Alibaba Cloud. So there are the multiple cloud providers. They will provide the infrastructure to us. So on that infrastructure, whatever you want to build the solution, software, service, code, whatever you want to run it, just you can run it. Just you have to pay for. So pay for that one infrastructure, whatever you are using, you have to pay for that one. So that is called the infrastructure as a service. Means just they will provide you the infrastructure, then you need to provide the monthly rent for that infrastructure, right? Then what about the PaaS? So it's like a platform as a service here, which is like a ready-made solutions here. So in that BTP also, it's a ready-made solutions are available here. So PaaS means the PaaS offers a ready-made platform for application developments, handling the infrastructures. Maybe directly you can focus on You can focus on the coding part. It's a ready-made, all the services are available. Directly can go ahead and you can just concentrate on your logic part. Just to do the configuration, just you can do the, no need to go for the instead of building from scratch, starting onwards. So ready-made solutions are available. Just you can use that service. You can use it here. You can deploy your business services and everything here. That is called the PaaS here. Ready-made solutions are available in the PaaS here. So at the same time, we have the SaaS, software as a service here. This is slightly, so this is not the infrastructure here. This is something like a renting the software instead of buying. Instead of buying the software, just you are renting the software. Normally, infrastructure you are taking a rent, right? Here in the SaaS product, which is the software you are taking a rent. Instead of buying it, software you are taking a rent here. So which means with this SaaS, you can use the software over the internet. So there is no need for installation. So no need to do anything here. Just some kind of streaming your favorite songs, but streaming your favorite songs directly, right? Just for streaming your favorite songs, right? So that is called the SaaS products here. Just SaaS means IaaS means you are taking the rent on the infrastructure. That's it. The remaining those things, if you want to install the software, if you want to keep it like this, if you want to install the SAP, if you want to install the data, whatever you want, you can do it on the infrastructure side, right? Your SaaS product means you are taking a software as a renting the software here, right? Renting the software here. Suppose like Gmail, Google Docs, and there are some online Google related things. And those are the SaaS products here. Those are the SaaS products here. Directly you are using the products here, right? So easy, convenient here. These are the three main components, three main services which are providing by the cloud providers here. So who are the cloud provider who are going to arrange infrastructure to in the BTP also means these are the cloud providers, infrastructure providers. They will provide the infrastructure for your BTP services. The BTP also in these three PaaS, the BTP comes under the here, the BTP services. Why? Because in the BTP, we have the number of solutions, services, technologies. So some tools all are available in the ready-made solutions. Just ready-made solutions are available in the BTP here, right? So BTP here. So let me give some scenarios here. So normally, who will use this BTP services? How the BTP services are helping to the business here. So the scenario number one is the new customers. Suppose there is a organization, the customer wants to build one of the cloud solution or some mobile application, right? In that case, the customer wants to integrate their multiple systems. They want to automate some of the business process, right? Some of the technologies they want to integrate it. That is the one scenario, which means the new customers. Also, the scenario number two is for the existing customers. Suppose there is an existing SME customer, they want to extend their SAP solutions to the cloud-based solutions, maybe SuccessFactors, S/4HANA Cloud, they want to integrate that one. In that case also, for existing customers, who will get this example means here, the scenario, the new customers, and also the existing customers, both the customers, they can use the BTP solutions. They can use the BTP solutions here. Both the customers, in both the scenarios, the customer's organization wants to build the solution. They want to build the solution with minimum efforts, with minimum efforts, and low cost, and also the faster time to gain the market, and also they don't want to prefer to spend the money, timings and everything here, like landscape infrastructure preparation, data center preparation, infrastructure like purchasing the hardware, like infrastructure, landscape setup, installation, configuration, maintenance. They don't have the time actually. If you want to go with this, all those things, same as like on-premise concept, they may take the little bit longer time than expected, right? So to get the solutions here. So here the BTP in the BTP solutions are ready-made, which means you no need to do the data center installations, landscape setup, installations, configurations, everything here. Just ready-made solutions are available here in the BTP. Just you can go ahead and use that solution, which means you are saving the time. There is no low cost and also minimum efforts. You are configuring, then directly from tomorrow onwards, you can use the BTP solutions. Right away, you can start using the BTP solutions here. You no need to procure the hardware. You no need to installations, data center preparation, maintenance activities, installation. No, you no need to do anything here, right? So that kind of things comes under the platform as a service. So BTP, all the services are a platform as a service here. The solutions are available in the BTP. Just you can go ahead and you can use it here. You can go ahead and use it here. It's a BTP is a one stop. I can say like one stop shop for whatever you need. It's a one stop shop for the so whatever you need. Suppose existing customers or new customers, whatever the services they want to use it, all are in the under one umbrella, that is called the BTP. In the under one umbrella, all the services and solutions, tools, technologies, all are available in the BTP here. Sir, where can I go ahead and access here? In the BTP, so you have, whenever you purchase the BTP account, the account we have to purchase it from the SAP. So there in the BTP, that account is called you will get the one URL that is called the BTP cockpit. This is the one of the web-based URL which you will get, web-based URL which you will get from the SAP. From there, you have all the services, tools are available. Just you subscribe it and you can use it based upon your subscriptions, based upon your licensing model, right? It's a fulfill requirements. It's all the requirements, whatever the customer is looking. Almost all the requirements are available in the BTP portfolio. Like it is a BTP is a portfolio of SAP solutions and services that all are brought under one umbrella. So these services and solutions that helps to organizations to directly build a cloud solution, or they can extend their SAP solutions. So which means customer directly will focus on the business logic. You can understand, right? Customer directly he can focus on the business logic instead of doing the installation, preparation activities, configuration and everything. So that ready-made solution is available. You can directly focus on the market and everything. You don't need to spend much time on the configuration for data centers, all those things here. So that's why BTP nowadays, it's a very popular. Every customer, they are going for the BTP. Why? Because they don't need to maintain a separate data center. They don't need to install anything here. So everything directly, if you want to take the BTP now itself, you can directly focus on the business logic. You don't need to do any on-premise or any tools. You don't need to do. All are available under one umbrella. They have brought under one umbrella all the services here, right? Say, in other words, I can say BTP is a bundle of many different services that can be used for innovation purpose, development purpose, so enterprise like a business logic purpose, the coding purpose. So some of the services are like purely for monitoring, database services, AI, artificial intelligence services. They all are mixed under the cockpit here, right? All are mixed under the wonder cockpit here. Sir, can we? So what are the main, like BTP is provide? You told like BTP is providing the bundle of services, right? So what are those services here? So actually, they have categorized their services. They have categorized their services into the 5 pillars here. They are categorized their into the 5 pillars here. So one is the means all the services, technologies, tools they have categorized. Suppose example, if we go to the service marketplace, go to the software download center, if we go to the installation, there are all the softwares, everything is they have categorized into the alphabetical wise, right? A, B, C, D, something like that. Same as like in the BTP also, they all their services and solutions they have they have categorized into 5 pillars here. So one pillar is called the application development pillar. One is called the application development. Second one is called the automation related services here. The third one is called the integration related services here. The fourth one is called the so data and analytics here. Data and the analytics related services here. The fifth one is called recently they have introduced is called the AI, artificial intelligence. There is the artificial intelligence core and the launchpad services also they have introduced into in their BTP portfolio. This is the one of the new edition here. Previously, so last two batches, I have not explained about this one. The previously we have about only 4 pillars in the BTP area. But recently they have added in the one more pillar that is called the AI generative AI forms and everything that is called the artificial intelligence which they are provided here. Which means in the AI side, they are providing the AI core. Then there is a launchpad, AI launchpad services. There is a business services they're providing this kind of things here. So when it comes to the data and analytics here, so they are providing the database like SAP HANA Cloud here, then HANA Sybase here, like DataSphere and MDZ and SAP Analytics Cloud, analytics purpose they are using. So they are providing under this pillar here. Coming to the integration side here, they are providing the integration suite, event mesh. So they are the multiple services they are providing here. Then coming to the automation side, they are providing the SAP build process automation, RPA, chatbots, workflows. Then also there is a task centers. There are multiple services are comes under the automation related pillar here. Then development related tools here. Development related things like so there is a so SAP cloud transport management, DevOps related services here. So alerts management, so like document management services here, right? There is a low code, no code, business application studio. There is called the so web IDE, SAP build work zone, SAP build apps. This all are comes under the application development here. Automation, application development, integration related services. So this all are all the services, whatever they are providing, like whatever they are providing, they have categorized into the 5 main pillars. In that under the each pillar there are the multiple tools, multiple services are available they are providing to the customer here. Sir, how can I know or where can I check all these services and everything here? So if you go to the BTP, there is a SAP Discovery Center, SAP Discovery Center here. In the SAP Discovery Center, you can see the list of services which are providing by the SAP BTP, SAP here. You can get the list of services here. There are the 90 plus services which are providing by BTP here. You can see the one is the ABAP environment, event mesh here. So you can see the list of services here. So you can see it here. It is available for every customer, every user, every person. This services are available here. You can see it here. The services which are available for here. The cloud transport management system here. The cloud-based handling the cloud-based developments from one system to another system. You have the cloud alerts notifications. So you can see it here. You have all. Suppose like if you go to the data and the data analytics here. So MDZ, right? Analytics cloud, right? Data queue, HANA Cloud, Sybase, right? So you have the DataSphere, HANA Cloud. There are the multiple things are available here under this one, right? If you go to the application development automation, then we have the ABAP environment, application studio, the cloud. So they have the solutions here, right? So if you go to the AI, artificial intelligence here, then AI side here, AI launchpad here, then so some of the AI core services here, there the some recommended things are available under the AI part here, which is recently introduced by SAP here, AI related things here. So they have their services, they have categorized into the 5 main pillars here. So BTP, the word is not new actually. The word is not new actually. So in, as I mentioned here, in Jan 2021, they have introduced a new platform, which is called the BTP, but it's not the Jan 2021 here. Suppose if I talk about the history of the BTP here, if I talk about the history, so I won't take much time, just I will complete this one. So just I want, so it will, so is there, suppose if I talk about the history of the BTP here, in 2012, SAP entered, not only in the recently only, they are in the past market here. In the 2012 itself, SAP entered into the past market. That time they have entered into the SAP, so NetWeaver Cloud, SAP NetWeaver Cloud, they have entered into the past market here. So that time they have introduced the new name is called the Neo. The short for this the Neo on NetWeaver on demand, NetWeaver on demand. So that's why in 2012 itself, SAP entered into the this past market here. It's not like recently or so last 1 year back, 2 years back only. In the 2012 itself, SAP entered into the past market. So in the 2012 with their NetWeaver product that is called the NetWeaver Cloud. That's why they have named it as the SAP Neo here. Then after that, in 2013, they have SAP NetWeaver Cloud, they have renamed to the, this is a famous name, we will call it as the SAP HANA Cloud Platform, SAP HANA Cloud Platform. Maybe few members are aware of this word here, SAP HANA HCP. I can say HCP HANA Cloud Platform here, right? After that, they have many changes they have happened in the 2017. I can give the more information in our regular classes, and they have dropped, so they have dropped this HANA word from HCP. Then they have introduced the SAP Cloud Platform, the Cloud Platform here, that is called the SAP SCP. So this is called the HANA HCP to HANA Cloud Platform to SAP Cloud Platform. New name is called the SAP Cloud Platform here. After that, they have introduced the many environment, many solutions here. So in the 2021, what they have think is, so they are not only providing the so cloud related services here. So like SAP cloud related services here, they are more than that. They are providing the more than that here. That's why they have rebranded SAP Cloud Platform to SAP Business Technology Platform. They have rebranded to SAP Technology Platform here, Business Technology Platform here. Why? Because they are not only just providing the cloud solutions here. So they are providing more than that. More than that means, example, they are providing the development related services. They are providing the integration related services here. They are providing the analytics related services here. There are more technologies, more cloud services, not only cloud, more than that, more than just cloud related services they are providing here, right? So the word they have rebranded to the SAP Cloud Platform to the SAP BTP, right? So that is the new name that helps to the customers to understand it's not only just a platform, this BTP platform, it's not limited to the cloud, that is also includes the various technologies that will help to the business and the various technologies, various solutions that will help. So that's why the better naming convention purpose, they have rebranded their SAP Cloud Platform to the SAP BTP here, right? So the better reflect in the market, just to changed their name to the SAP to BTP here. So this is the way they have rebranded their name to 2012. They have started into the PaaS market. Then after that, slowly, multiple changes, multiple renames, multiple rebranded to the finally in 2021 Jan, they have introduced their new name is called the SAP BTP here. SAP BTP here. So here, as part of our course, as part of our BTP admin course, what we are going to discuss here? What are the things we are going to discuss and test it here? So this is the, so first of all, we are going to discuss about the BTP related overview, total overview and account models, and some of the basic platform concept to understanding the words, environment, some of the words, and also what is the licensing model for the BTP licensing model and everything here, and also the pricing list, how to monitor the usage, analytics, services, some of the security parts, then SSO identity provider integrations here, cloud connectors, configurations and integrations, destinations, same as like SM15 and RFC destinations, accounts creation, transport configurations here. Why? Because it's purely admin task, right? So some of the Fiori apps related configurations here, right? And also the backend SAP systems configurations, integration suite related things here, some of the administration, HANA Cloud, RPA related things here, right? Some of the custom themes, right? So these are the things we are going to, cloud ALM. One more important thing is cloud ALM related things also we are going to discuss in our, so in our use cases here in the day-to-day classes, cloud ALM related things, dashboard monitoring and creation of the users, identity providers, SSO configurations. So all those things we are going to we are going to discuss in our regular classes here, right? So this is about the just introduction part here, right? So any questions from anyone here? Let me